In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pivot program on the internet to help you row reduce these simplex tableau. So let's look at our furniture manufacturing problem that we've looked at in the book. We're supposed to solve it by pivoting on the 6. Now this is just practicing. This doesn't maximize it. This just goes to the next solution. As right now it's set for the solution as x equals 0, y equals 0, and then 96, 18, 72s for each of our carpentry, upholstery, etc. That's the 0, 0 solution, but we want to get to the next solution. So we're going to pivot on this 6. So you can do that by hand. If you were to do that by hand, you would end up doing this. Like shown, you'd take 1/6 of R1 and I replace it, and then I sit there and I start getting these down to zeros after I make this a 1. Well, that's a lot of work, obviously, and quite a bit of mistakes could happen. So what we'll do is we'll go to this program here. You can click this and it'll open up this page. And then I would have you click the download button. It's the most commonly used. Once you click it, has a save file, and then you'll see it saved. And then you can double click it to open it or find it in your downloads folder. This will pop up here. And then this is the pivot program. Now what you're going to do is you're going to enter the values in the matrix into this chart, just basically right across here like this. 6, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 96. And you enter them all like this. And now we want to pivot on the 6. So instead of going through all that work, we just highlight the 6 and we go over here to pivot. We click it. And it pivots on the 6. It makes all of them under here 0 and makes that a 1. And this is the same information as this down here. Of course, it's in decimal in some of this area here, but you can change that using a calculator. But here it is as if you were to do it by hand. It provides the same information, which is another solution. It's the solution when x is 16 and y is 0. Then you get v is 2, w is 40, and m is 1280. Now again, this may not necessarily be the maximum, but it is another solution. That's how you move from one solution to the next. If I grab my calculator, I'm able to transform these into fractions if I need to be. Like this one here, 0.1666666, put it in the calculator as such, and then you can go math and then hit the enter key again. That brings it to a fraction, 1/6. So you want to make sure you put a lot of 6's in there though, etc. The same thing with 0.3 repeating, right? You should know that one probably. Looks like I didn't do enough. 0.3, keep going all the way to the end. And then if you do enough, you get your fraction. Then in the future, if you want to continue the process, let's say we wanted to pivot here, you just click it and it pivots again, and there we go, we have new solution. 1400 is the value here with, x and y being 14 and 4. So you can continue and find all the solutions to the problem.